Samba combination for faster feet and to put more moves into your dance arsenal. Here is entire combination with the timing. We'll review it 2 times, facing you and then away so you can practice together with me at home. We're gonna start with the right foot and we have a small tiny step forward and feet together. It's gonna happen on count 1. 1, 2, hold. 2 circular motions with your hips starting to the left side. 3, 4. On count 5, we're gonna move our left foot to the side and we'll have a sit position. 5, 6, we're gonna hold. Now we have a shimmy shimmy with our chest. 7, and close your feet and tuck your tailbone under. On count 8, we're gonna have a hip bump back. 8. From here, we continue with the karaoke step. We're starting with the right foot, cross forward 1, side step and point, and 2. Other side, cross, side step and point, and 3, and 4. Next, we'll have 2 squat volta in place. 5, and 6, other side 7 and 8. Now we'll have Batafoga with the flick, starting with the right foot. 1, 2 flick back, 3, 4. The second Batafoga we will not have a flick, but we will continue it after Batafoga on 5, 6, 7, 8 with just hip roll. Keep doing the figure 8 with your hips, starting with the right hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, we'll have a salsa turn with the right foot forward. We have 1 and 3 place. Now on count 2, we'll have a lunge to the side with the right foot. 2.
Let's get our cardio going with this fun jive combination. It will consist of 6 figures. First, I will show you these figures, then the timing, and finally we're gonna dance together to the music. First figure, kicks forward. We're gonna start with simply point our foot forward and together. Right foot forward, place it together. Left foot forward, together. Right foot forward, point, together. I will turn around so you can practice together with me. We're starting with the left leg, point forward diagonal, together. Right foot point, together. Left foot point, together. Right foot point, together. Let's try one more time. And left leg point, together. Point, together. Point, together. Point, together. The second figure is a shuffle. We'll start with our left foot. Move your left foot back and across. Close your right foot to your left foot and step to the side with your left foot. Now we'll repeat everything with our right side. Right foot across, back, together, side. Let's try it together with me. Cross back, together, side. Cross back, together, side. Try again. Cross back, together, side. Cross back, together, side. I will turn around so we can practice together. And cross back, together, side. Cross back, together, side. Cross back, together, side. Cross back, together, side. The next figure will combine our points together with the shuffle step. Starting with the left foot. Point forward diagonal. Point your leg to the side. Now cross back, together, side. We're gonna repeat with other leg. Point forward diagonal to the side. Cross back, together, side. And together with me. And point forward diagonal, side. Cross back, together, side. Forward, side. Cross back, together, side. Once again, forward, side. Cross back, together, side. Forward, side. Cross back, together, side. Next, we're starting with the left foot. We have to point to across, slightly forward diagonal. Now, move your leg to the side and sit. Twist. And now with the right leg, step forward in a cross. 2 points to the side with the left leg, side, side. Now step across back, together, and step across forward. Repeat everything on the right side. Kick or point. Sit, twist, transfer your weight on the right leg, step forward and across. Now 2 points to the side, step across, together, forward and across. I will turn around so you can dance it and practice together with me. And point, sit, twist, cross forward, side point, step cross back, together, step cross forward, point, sit, twist, step forward and across, point, side, cross back, together, forward diagonal. And again, point, sit, twist, step forward and across, point, cross back, together, forward cross, point, sit, twist, forward cross, point, step back, together, forward. I know, the last figure may seem advanced. No worries. You always can rewind back, watch it and practice again until you feel comfortable. We continue it with the next figure. We will have the left side forward step, point to the side with the right leg. Step across with the right leg and point to the side. Now we'll repeat everything same way but backwards. Step back, point to the side, step back, across and point to the side. I will turn around so we can practice together. And so we have a step forward and across, point to the side, step forward and across, point to the side. Backwards, cross back, point to the side, cross back, point to the side. One more time. Forward cross point, cross back, point, cross back, point. We made it. We're on the last figure. Now we're starting with the left foot. We have a cross forward, very similar to our previous figure. Point your right foot to the side. Right leg across forward, point your left foot to the side. Now stay on your right foot and we're gonna do a body roll backwards and forward, reverse. So when you're using your right leg, I want you to feel that you're starting with your head, chest, hips, and release your hips, drop it back down. And now starting from this point, with your hips, bring your weight and your body through the wave onto your right foot. I will turn around so we can do it together. And forward cross, point. Forward cross, point. Starting with your head, look slightly diagonal forward. Head, chest, belly, hips, and now reverse and come back forward. Let's try it one more time. And forward, point, cross forward, point, head back, hips, hip forward, head forward. We'll take the figures you've just learned and we'll have a slow and quick varieties in this combination. Let's get started. If you don't, I will do it for 5 times. If you will not get it from the first try, no worries. I'm here and we're dancing together so you have a chance to keep up with this routine. Together with me. We're starting with the left leg. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slow motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dance Today continues to create entertaining and educational content because of the contributions from viewers like you. If you would like to donate to the channel, please click on the Patreon link in the description below. Thank you for your support.